Hey, maybe you've heard sayings like failing to plan is planning to fail, or a goal without a plan is just a wish. Well, there's really good reason these adages have enjoyed super glue like sticking power over the many years they've been around. They're generally true and fairly universal. You can apply them to just about anything and be like, yeah, that tracks. So when it comes to a successful content program for your small business, these sentiments pretty much hold water too. A great content strategy is the foundation of your content program and all the downstream efforts that flow from it. But to truly succeed, you also need a solid content plan. Your plan is like the blueprint for your content. It outlines what you'll create, when you'll create it, and how you'll produce and distribute it. It's also a vital document for budgeting, resource management, engaging progress, and so forth. By following a well-structured content plan, you can manifest your content strategy. It can also lead to helping you save time, money, and energy, increase productivity, improve consistency, help you bolster your relationship with your audience, and so much more. There's no more scrambling to come up with ideas, no more getting disorganized and losing focus, no more publishing and posting haphazardly, no more wondering what the hell. And a strong content strategy and plan that's executed upon well can help you hit key milestones and ultimately achieve your business goals.